Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 11, Lesson 91. When do the periods stay and when do they go? Today, abbreviations. Let's start with the everyday abbreviations. When you shorten a proper noun or a title, capitalize it and use a period. Months like October and Feb, days like Wednesday and Sat, personal titles like Doctor and Ms., and degrees like Junior and PhD. All of these are capitalized, and all of them take a period. So your default for these familiar abbreviations is simple: a capital letter and a period at the end. Now the modern kind. When an abbreviation is read letter by letter, like IRS, or pronounced as a word, like NASA, you use all capitals and no periods. NASA, NCAA, IRS, PIN. No dots between the letters. Writing NASA with periods is wrong. There are two famous exceptions that keep their periods: US and Washington, D.C. But aside from those, modern letter abbreviations are all caps, no periods. Initials follow their own rule, and it depends on how many. A first or middle initial standing in for a name takes a period and a space. Ulysses S. Grant. The S with a period and a space after it. But when three initials are used together to name a person, they take neither periods nor spaces. JFK, FDR, MLK. So one initial inside a name keeps its period. Three initials standing alone, drop them. Finally, times, eras, and units of measure. Use AM and PM for exact times, 2:20 p.m., and use BC and AD for dates, 44 BC, AD 250, all with capitals and periods. Units of measure, used mainly in scientific writing, split by system. English units take a period, FT, LB, teaspoons, while metric units take no period at all, KMD, KG, ML. So remember, English keeps the dot, metric drops it. Let's practice. Choose the correct abbreviation, with capitals and periods exactly as the rules require. Pause and try each. Abbreviate February. A month is capitalized and takes a period, so the answer is Feb. Abbreviate National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It's pronounced as a word, so it uses all capitals and no periods, so the answer is NASA. Abbreviate kilometer. Kilometer is a metric unit, and metric units take no period, so the answer is KMD. 3 more, on initials and units. Follow the rules for 3 initial names and for English versus metric measures. Pause and try each. Abbreviate John Fitzgerald Kennedy. 3 initials used together take no periods and no spaces, so the answer is JFK. Abbreviate foot, the English unit. English units of measure take a period, so the answer is FT. Abbreviate centimeter, the metric unit. Metric units take no period, so the answer is CM. Let's wrap up. Abbreviations of proper nouns, titles, and degrees are capitalized and take periods. Doctor, Feb, PhD. Abbreviations read letter by letter or as a word use all capitals and no periods. NASA, IRS, with US and Washington, D.C. as exceptions. A single initial in a name keeps its period and space, but 3 initials together drop both, like JFK. And for units, English measures keep the period, while metric measures drop it. Great work! Next lesson, numbers and numerals.